here. So, got myself a BLACKSTONE cooktop. It's been all the rage. Everybody's been asking me if I was going to get one, and I was a little leery because I like my grills to be functional. But I'm happy I got one. I'm actually going to cook some food, some steak, some vegetables, some broccoli, some baby potatoes. And I'm going to use a 36-inch BLACKSTONE, and I love this thing. So I'm going to put some grease on it. It's already seasoned, and it's hot. That's why you see the smoke coming off of it. And I got my smoker and my pit, but this right here is just easy to use, and it's propane. So anyway, I'm just going to add some oil. And I'm going to add the potatoes. By the way, it just smells amazing. Season the potatoes with salt and pepper, garlic, and olive oil. Cut them in half so they cook quicker. I'm going to leave them right here. I do have it on the low heat, so I'm going to turn it up a little bit, get a little hot. And we're going to let that do what it do. All right? All right, so I got a lot of space here that I can still play with. I'll leave the peppers for last. I'm going to see the broccoli, cauliflower, carrots over here. It smells great. Also got some Brussels sprouts in there. Now this is a lot of food. I mean, if you think about it, right? If you were going to cook this on a traditional stove, this is at least 4 frying pans or 2 full oil pans going in the oven. But I'm able to cook all of this food at one time on this cooktop. So I have some peppers I want to put on. They're going to cook really quick, so I'm going to wait to put those on. I'm going to let this cook down. We'll season it a little bit more. Now that it's even, kind of an even playing field for me to go ahead and just add some seasoning, throw a little bit of paprika. It smells great. A bit more salt on the potatoes. I know it seems like a lot, but it's not a lot of salt. Definitely want to put some salt over here on the broccoli. Cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. I like to add flavor to my food. No, it's not a lot of salt. I hear somebody saying, that's too much salt. This is Mediterranean sea salt. It's not as salty as the regular salt you buy in the store. Seasoning on it. All right. Smells amazing. I'll tell you, it smells great. It smells good. So what I'm gonna do now is, after I flip this over, season and mix it really good. Broccoli looks good, smells good. It's all coming together. Turn the fire up on the potatoes. I'm about 5 minutes in right now. You can see the potatoes are starting to cook through. Because they're so small, they won't take long to cook. They'll have a nice char from the seasonings and the heat. You'll know the potatoes are done when you can pretty much take the end of your whatever, your knife, your fork, and go through. I'm not able to go through yet because it's not cooked through yet. So to help it cook, I'm just going to close the lid and let it cook. All right, so I just went ahead. I added my peppers. I got red peppers, orange and yellow, seasoned salt and pepper, and garlic, minced garlic. It smells amazing. Potatoes are halfway done. The broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots are just about done. See how soft it is? Just about done. So I'm gonna leave that on for a little bit, stack it together so that the heat is concentrated. I'm gonna turn it down so it doesn't burn. Everything looks good, smells good, is good. Look at that. Woo. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the steak in the front, let everything else kind of sizzle in the back so we could infuse the smell, the taste. Put some oil in the front. I'm gonna start off with oil. I'm gonna finish with butter. This is ribeye. I'm going to finish it with butter and garlic. This will be good. All right. Close the lid. Let it do what it do. Flip this one. I'm going to flip them. Looks good. Smells great too. And I'm put them together. I'm adding the butter. So I'm just repositioning the steak to kind of absorb the butter and garlic that I just put on here. It's going to give it more flavor. That's why I like the BLACKSTONE, because you don't have to worry about the butter and the garlic falling between the grapes and getting in the fire. It's a solid piece. But all of your liquids is going to stay where they need to stay. Smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Nice little char. That's what I was looking for. Char. Potatoes. have a spoon so I can scoop all this flavor out. It's ready to go.